Well, the crofting gear goes on more or less continuous all the time. In the olden days, they used to do seawood in the winter, and that used to start in November, December, right on to the New Year, on to February. And in the olden days, you start with ploughing with horses in the middle of March, because it took them so long to do it. And when that was finished, the lambing started. And there was one thing after another anyway. So when lambing was finished, we next thing was pits in June, July, haymaking, August, the harvest time, the corn side of it. Everybody had a job of his own. The youngest helping do different jobs on to you graduate up the ranks to tying the corn and stooking and stacking and all this. And after the corn, the potatoes after that, and then starting all over again. Have I got shearing? Shearing is usually in July and lamb sales in September. Well, the silage is, I do more of silage than I do in no dry matter. No, it was an old binder, old type way. But the silage I can do in half a day. What'll take me nearly a month to get dry was the old way, So they want me to carry on doing that, because a lot of people is interested, because it's a dying thing, Before when you start cutting the corn, and it'll take you about 10 days to get it before it's stooked, and another 10 days before it's stacked, big stacks. And that's in good weather. But if it's damp or anything, you can't touch it. And if it takes over a month, it's half the values away from it. It's just a gamble if you get it. If the weather's good, it's easy enough. But if the weather's bad, many a time I saw us moving, even the sheaves turned them inside out, and there's a lot of hard work there. See, if everybody would make silage, you wouldn't have seed for sowing next year. I sell quite a bit to all over. The odd stack here and there for seed. They buy it for seed, and they do silage themselves. So it would be like small oats. And at one time they used to sow a lot of barley, but now it's only a fraction of what they used to, the barley type. And it's allowed, you can see I've a field of barley, it's lovely, really lovely. Quite a bit of my stuff goes to the nature reserve, in Macdonald over there. And it is for feeding the birds. They throw the sheaves out, and if you're feeding cattle outside, so much will fall off when you throw the sheave on the ground, you see, and the birds will get that. And that's why I think they want to keep the old style going.